best performance. Obviously, I think that I don't think I thought in terms of forward pack, I think we worked hard in the forward pack, and I think we just not lacked ambition, but we could have moved the ball a bit more than we did. I think we got stuck in the rut of just one out carries and playing that way. We turned over too much ball, in all honesty. Defensively, I thought at times we were okay, but then there was a few line breaks which I think that hurt us. So there's plenty of work to do. It looked like a pre-season game. What I would say, we exposed 6 debutants there today, so a lot of young boys having games. Obviously Lewis and Isaac, young hookers, 18, 19-year-old, and then Max obviously is 18 in the back line as well. So it was there's plenty of lessons to learn. We'll take what we can from it, and then we move on to next week. There was a lot of ball down, and so that's why I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest, after that. But look, as I said, it's learning now, and we learn about ourselves now rather than obviously looking too much at the results. Obviously, we'll learn what we need to improve, and then next week we'll go again. We rested a few boys this week, so they'll come back into the fold next week, get up and running on Monday now, and then last pre-season game against the Dragons next week, and then we go into a big block of games then. So again, it's about the same thing for us, just making sure that we work on areas that we need to work on and move on. Obviously Max and Jack coming on, young men, and I think that 18-year-old to make a debut out there, a little break for Max at the end was excellent, so I think there's plenty to learn, and there's obviously errors going to be in that respect, but happy with obviously them making their debuts, because they deserved it over the summer, as did Evan and Charlie at halfback. I think it was obviously not the best day for them, obviously, because it was a bit of a scrappy game in terms of getting the flow of the game. So, but I was pleased with their attitude and their performance with it.